In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Ionos Cpanel. Navigating through the digital landscape of web hosting can sometimes feel like a daunting task, especially if you're new to managing your own website. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step of the way, ensuring you have all the information you need to successfully access your Ionos Cpanel. First up, let's begin by going to the Ionos website. It's critical that you're on the correct website to avoid any potential security issues. Once you're there, you'll see a plethora of options and information, but what we're interested in is the sign in option. This is your gateway to accessing your account and ultimately your cPanel. Click on the sign in link. This action will redirect you to a new page where you'll have different types of sign in options. From the options available, choose customer account. This selection is precisely what you need to manage your hosting and domain names. Up next, you'll click on the sign in button. This might seem a bit repetitive, but it's just the way the Ionos interface guides you through its security layers, ensuring that your account is protected at every step. Now it's time to identify yourself. You'll be prompted to type in your email address. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Ionos account. Mistyping here could lead you in circles or lock you out temporarily, so be mindful as you type. After entering your email, you'll click Next. This action signals the system to proceed and prepare to verify your account through your password. Speaking of passwords, the next step is to type in your password. Here's a pro tip. If you have a password manager, now is an excellent time to use it. Password managers not only help keep your passwords secure, but also make logins a breeze. Moving on, after you've securely entered your password, you'll click Next again. This progression is a part of the two-step verification to ensure the security of your account. Once your credentials are verified, you'll be taken to your Ionos dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Here, look for the hosting section. Depending on how your dashboard is set up or the services you have with Ionos, you might need to scroll a bit or navigate through the menu. Clicking on hosting will open up the world of your web hosting details, including your domains, databases, and yes, the cPanel. The cPanel is essentially the backbone of your website's hosting environment, allowing you to manage domains, install applications, create email accounts, and much more. The cPanel's graphical interface and automation tools simplify the process of hosting a website to just point and click actions. Now that you have the steps, it's essential to understand the role of the cPanel in your website management. Knowing how to access it quickly and efficiently can make a huge difference in your productivity and enable you to make changes to your site in real time. Remember, while this guide has walked you through accessing the Ionos Cpanel, taking the time to familiarize yourself with its features and options can greatly enhance your website management experience. Whether it's setting up email accounts, managing your domains, or installing web applications, the cPanel offers a comprehensive set of tools at your fingertips. As we wrap up this tutorial, I'd encourage you to explore the cPanel and discover all the possibilities it offers. Managing your website's backend might seem complex at first, but with tutorials like this and the intuitive design of the Ionos Cpanel, you'll find yourself navigating it like a pro in no time. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just starting on your digital journey, understanding how to access and utilize your web hosting cPanel is a crucial skill. Keep experimenting, learning, and growing your digital footprint. Until next time, happy hosting.